Alex, he talks to other women, but he doesn't want to leave me. What can I do? What can I understand from this situation? Hello, ladies, and welcome to this video. My name is Alex Cormont. I am your French relationship expert. And since 2007, I have heard that question multiple times, hundreds of times. And I know how difficult it is for you because you met this guy or you're in a relationship with him, and then you found out that he's talking to other women. The problem is, what can you do? Is it someone that you can trust? Is he learning from this experience? Or is it someone that, is just bullshitting you? Someone that is manipulating you? We will find out in this video because maybe it will be your decision and not his decision. I know he doesn't want to leave you, doesn't want to dump you, doesn't want to break up with you, but sometimes it's only because they want to control. They want to control, they want to use you, they want to be, they want to be happy doing whatever they want without building something really great with you. In order for me to help you, I really want you to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. I am doing videos to help you challenge a man, be more confident in your love life, and make sure that men will also think for you. They don't just think selfishly, like what they want, what's important for them, but they also put themselves in your shoes. So let's dive in directly. If you're telling me, Alex, this guy is talking to other women, but he doesn't want to break up with me, the first thing first I will ask you is, did he stop? Did he stop talking to other women? If you tell me yes, I will just explain to you that some men, they'll make this mistake to talk to women. They make the mistake maybe to take you for granted, and they just think that the grass will be greener, or at least they want to distract themselves a little bit by talking to women. If they stop, it is a good sign in my opinion. I'm not excusing everything that he has done. I'm not saying he's an angel, but I'm saying we can make it work. On the opposite side, if you come to me and say, Alex, he's talking to other women, but he doesn't want to break up with me. And if I ask you, did he stop talking to women? And you say, no, because he's lost. No, because he doesn't know how to say stop to these women. No, because he's, mixed up with his feelings. I will tell you that this is not okay. We are not settling down for breadcrumbs. We don't want to be in a relationship with a guy that will give you some very few words of affirmation, very few proof of love, and then we will be happy with that because on the opposite side is that it will destroy you. Okay, so very simple. Is he still talking to these women? Yes, we are leaving this guy right now. It's a no contact. We close the door. He had this opportunity. He has his shot. He didn't take it. Good luck for his life, but you don't want to go with those type of men. If you tell me, yes, Alex, he stopped, I'm telling you, okay, we are all good and fine. We can make it work. Question number 2. This one is the most important one. Every time I do the coaching, I will ask you, can you or was he able to explain what happened? Can you tell me the why he was talking to other women? Yes, lack of intimacy in a relationship. The fact that we were in a routine. The fact that I was codependent. The fact that he did a burnout and wanted to feel appreciated and stupidly talk to other women. That's when he knows why. When you come to me and say, no, not really, he doesn't know what happens. He was just bored one day and then ended up on a dating website. That is not okay. If you want to make sure that the relationship will work with this guy, he needs to give you clarity. He needs to explain exactly what happened, exactly why was he talking to other women. For being able for us to look at the situation and tell ourselves, hey, you know what? It's very interesting. We just have to, for example, we just have to solve the routine for you to not talk to a woman. We just have to have more intimacy for you to not talk to other women. We need to know the reason why he did it. And I want you to be careful Because most of the men that are toxic, they will tell you, you know, it's your fault. Like, I didn't feel you loved me. I didn't feel like you were excited to see me. I didn't feel that you were able to provide for me. Or, you know, every time we have an argument, you do this and you do that. When you hear you from his mouth, it's a no-go. It's exactly the moment we would just tell ourselves, this is no. I don't continue with this type of man. It's not okay for us. I know it sounds crazy, but that's true. Because some men, they are very, very good at manipulating you, putting the fault on you, making you believe that you're the problem. You don't want to be in a relationship with someone that is not accountable for his own mistakes. For someone that will always try to put the fault on you. That, it won't be with me, ladies. And now I'm your favorite coach, by the way. You need to hit the like button, subscribe, but I want to be on your side. And there is a third question. Is this guy try to mess up with the situation? I see some men, they will tell you, oh, you know, if you do this again, I will talk to women. Or at least these women, they were nicer to you than you. So they will just use the situation in a way that they want to make it funny, in a way that they want to play with it. And of course, they want to hurt you, make you be scared to lose them, make you lose your self-confidence so they can control you. That's not okay as well. So you have to ask yourself, is this guy playing with the situation, or is he trying to be low-key, meaning don't talk about it, is not proud about it, is not using it against you, wants to basically forget about what happened because it was such a huge mistake. This is what I see. And this is the reason why you need to look at those questions. Most of the time you will come to me and say, but Alex, you know, he's lost. And I will respond, we should not care. If he is lost, then he needs to find himself, he needs to find his path, he needs to use a GPS, but please don't find excuses to those kind of behavior. Because if you help him, if you save him, he will tell himself, I can do whatever I want. She's so in love with me that I can do whatever I want. And of course, this is exactly what we want to avoid. The good news is, I'm a real coach. I'm not just doing videos on YouTube or any social media platform. No, I want you to basically work with me. I want you to tell yourself, I can be happy in my love life with Coach Alex. And for that, you just have to click in the description box. You will find some gift and you will find a link to book a call with my success manager. He will tell you what's the best package for you. There is single sessions. There is a 3 months package where I tend to really help you. It's not I will really help you be in a relationship and make sure that this guy is respecting you. But the one thing you need to do right now is to hit the like button and subscribe. I want you to hear some advice from the field, because most of the men that are talking to other women, they will bullshit you. They will tell you what you want to hear. They will tell you how much they love you without being able to change. And the one way to know if they would change is when there is explanation. I can tell you what happened and I can tell you what I would do to never be in this situation again. We need those two situations. We need those two moments to make sure that we can trust him. Okay, ladies, I know you're strong and I know we can do it together. I will see you very soon. Please take care of yourself. Bye-bye.